Okay, we're at the fire tower.
Jump!
Oh crap, there's a bunch of cachers there.
A bunch of people.
And off we go.
And off we go.
Yep.
Good.
But I mean, they don't come in inch.
The monster cat.
So, I mean, you know, you can pretty much tell if your house is 10 foot, 20 foot. Yeah, you know, 5 feet taller than me, so 10 foot's not gonna reach. I'm gonna be smart, you know. But see, then you take the 10 foot ladder.
There's a polo. Marco!
Polo. That's my chicken place.
What?
Marco's Polo. It's going to be the name of my chicken restaurant.
Both are spelled the same, but they're spelled weird and pronounced differently. I know, the other half of my family is Irish, so...
Oh.
Hello.
Hi.
Hold on. Nugget, go. Look here.
Come here.
Nugget, move. Somebody's had a fire there. Good boy.
Are we going this way?
No,
We're
we're
gonna
not.
have to go that way, but I just wanted to go see what the creek was doing.
Oh, yeah, this is a nice one.
Come here.
Where's the leash?
In your bag. Second pocket.
You have him?
Huh? Yeah, this one. Sit. Duncan. Duncan.
Yeah, that sounds good.
I think a bird's got him.
Oh, this
Yeah, something's got him. He usually has these two big long things on his tail.
Okay.
Everything all right?
There's a moth.
What they want to acknowledge is, yes, I'm putting
If only you could smell it.
unsafe location off the trail.
I hate getting videotaped.
That's why I'm holding it.
Hey. There.
I saw that hanging there. I didn't know that's what it was. Booga booga booga. Bleh. Bleh.
The black snake.
Yeah, well, I figured it out. Here's the, let's take a look at this a minute, Jeff, and see if we can tell how to get the motor to go.
I'm pretty sure Just knows these catches.
And if you read,
Both pouring water in there.
Oh, right, yes.
You guys told us that.
the cache description does say bring plenty of water.
Put it in a bottle and take care of that.
There's a
We're not
pond
wasting
over there
water.
already.
I know.
That's what this is. You think anyone drinking that?
I don't know. Steven has pretty low standards for what he thinks.
It may not be enough.
What the hell was that?
I don't know.
Science put this one up to hold it closer to. I guess it doesn't matter.
Why,
Just
you
put
holding it?
it back in there.
Oh, you're covering a hole.
Yeah.
There's the...
That is
comes.
way cool.
Nicely done.
Now, let me get out of the way.
I was waiting for that. The money shot. Yes.
Did you catch it on video?
Yes.